In front of me is Realme P3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids Live Fluid Sim from Mad Scientist. When it's ready, launch it, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner, or select Consent and then tap at the bottom left corner. Either way, when you're ready, use this gear at the top left corner to manage all of those options however you want to. Then click at the top right corner, bottom right corner, set as live wallpaper, hit yes, tap on apply, and decide where. Lastly, hit apply at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!